Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. This is a video number 3. In this video, we will discuss how to execute a simple PHP program. To execute the PHP program, we require a XAMPP. If you don't know about XAMPP, then check out previous video of the PHP series. Link available in description. First of all, open your IDE. Here we use Notepad++. So open it. Now we need to write a simple PHP code. So here we print some lines. For this you must know about the PHP tag, which is explained in the previous video. If you did not watch it, then click the link available in the description. So let's start. First of all, start with the PHP standard tag. Now print something like hello world. Complete the standard PHP tag. Here echo is used to print the statement. Now we need to save this file with .php extension in an htdocs folder, which is available in XAMPP folder. So let's save it. Ctrl plus S. We need to find XAMPP folder. So open XAMPP folder. Here you can see htdocs folder. Simply save file with a specific name. Here I will save with php1.php. Now you need to open the XAMPP control panel and start a service of Apache. Once the service is running, you need to open your browser and search for localhost/php1.php. Here you can see the output. Now in next video we are going to learn various data type of a PHP, what is a variable and naming rule of a variable. If you have any doubt, then don't forget to comment. If you like this video, then click the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.